How to Get Money on TikTok Part 2, Advanced Ways to Earn More in 2026. Welcome back. In Part 1, we learned the basic ways to make money on TikTok. Today, we will go even deeper. I will show you how successful TikTok creators turn their audience into a real online business. Let's begin. Number 1. Build trust before selling. Many beginners try to sell products immediately. That is a mistake. People buy from creators they trust. Share useful tips. Answer questions. Teach something valuable. Entertain your audience. When people trust you, they are much more likely to support your recommendations. Number 2. Create viral content. TikTok rewards videos that keep people watching. Start with a strong hook. For example, most people don't know this TikTok money trick. Keep your videos short. Use captions. End with a question to encourage comments. Higher engagement can help your videos reach more people. Number 3. Promote affiliate products. You do not need your own product. Join an affiliate program. Recommend products that solve real problems. Explain how they work. Share honest reviews. If someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Always disclose affiliate relationships when required. Number 4. Sell digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to earn online. Examples include ebooks, Canva templates, online courses, study guides, AI prompts. You create them once and can sell them many times. Number 5. Offer freelance services. TikTok is not only for entertainment. It can also attract clients. If you know video editing, graphic design, writing, programming, translation, social media management, show your work in short videos. Potential clients may contact you directly. Number 6. Work with brands. Companies are always looking for creators. Even creators with smaller audiences may receive sponsorship offers if their viewers are engaged. Focus on creating quality content. Engagement often matters more than follower count. Number 7. Go live regularly. If your account is eligible for TikTok Live, use it to connect with your audience. Answer questions. Teach a skill. Share your experience. Interactive live sessions can strengthen your community. Number 8. Post every day. Consistency matters. Aim to post 1 to 3 quality videos each day if you can maintain quality. Test different ideas. Study your analytics. Keep doing what works. Number 9. Learn from analytics. Open TikTok analytics. Check which videos get the most views, which videos keep people watching, what time your audience is online. Use this information to improve future content. Number 10. Never give up. Most successful creators were not successful on their first video. Some uploaded hundreds of videos before they found a winning formula. Success belongs to people who keep learning and improving. Final message. TikTok is more than an entertainment app. It can become a platform for building a business, growing an audience, and creating multiple income streams. Focus on providing value. Stay consistent. Keep learning. The results may take time, but steady effort gives you the best chance of success. Outro. If you enjoyed Part 2, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment TikTok 2026 below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in Part 3.